Thought for the day, August 10th. Serve concretely. We can also love Jesus in our family members to whom we say good morning every day, with whom perhaps we say morning prayers or have breakfast. We can love Jesus in our neighbors during the day, even behind the desk of the school classroom where we teach, or at the counter of the business, or from the window of the bank where we work. We can love them by seeing Jesus in them also at home, when we sweep or mop the floor, when we wash the dishes or go out shopping. We always have this fabulous possibility, and we can be sure that each time He tells us, "You did it to me." Chiara Lubich, The Art of Loving, New City.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.